This is for my battle who is leaving on a deployment. Alright, so here it is. New York State of Mind, just for you, battle. Some folks like to get away, take a holiday from the neighborhood, hop a flight to Miami Beach or to Hollywood. But I'm taking a Greyhound on the Hudson River line. I'm in New York, state of mind. I've seen all the movie stars in their fancy cars and their limousines. Been high on the Rockies, under the evergreens. But I know what I'm needing, and I don't want to waste more time. I'm in a New York state of mind. It was so easy living day by day, out of touch with the rhythm and blues. But now I need a little give and take. The New York Times, the Daily News. It comes down to reality, and it's fine with me, 'cause I've let it slide. Don't care if it's Chinatown or on a riverside. I don't have any reasons, I've left them all behind. 'Cause I'm in a New York state of mind. Good luck on deployment.